Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to know the connected devices and open your Telegram account. It is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Telegram account. After that, click on the three small legends above here, then click on Settings. After that, click on Protection and Privacy. Here, you will find the devices. Click on Devices. After that, you will find all the devices that have your Telegram account open. Here, you will find the name of the device, the type of device, and the date of entry. If you find a device here other than your device, this means that your Telegram account is open on that device, so you have to log out of it by clicking on it and click on Log Out and activate the two-step verification feature to increase the protection of your Telegram account. This was your topic today. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in video coming soon, God willing.